my unique queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I am currently using in my wash and go. I'm going to start off with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is my tried and true. I went away from it, but I am right back, baby. So I'm simply going to put that all over my head, work it in really well. As you can tell, I am not combing through my hair with my fingers. That is key when it comes to my curls. Now I'm separating the back from the front, continuing to work it in, and then I'm going to separate into another small section so we can go ahead and get started with the styling products. First product is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. This cream hydrates, detangles, defines, and adds moisture to dry curls. I really love this product. It smells so good. And as you can see, I'm going to take just a little scoop with my finger and I am going to work it in well from root to tips. Once I work that in, I like to clean my hands a bit and move on to the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This is a gel, you guys. As you can see, it's coming out all funky, gooey, which is what we want and what we love to hold our curls in place. I am going to work this in as well. What I really like about this product, and it says it on the bottle, keep the junk in the trunk. I love that this has all natural ingredients, none of that funny business going on in your gels. You know what we're talking about. And I'm just working it through. I make sure that I repeat these steps throughout my whole entire head. Now I want to tell you that I got this travel size pack from when I went to the natural hair show, but Walmart has the travel size pack if you want to try it before you go big. I always think that is a great thing. Now that I have tried it, I think this has went in my hair maybe 3 times and I still have enough for a 4th time. I really suggest that you get the travel set from Walmart. That way you see if you like it. If you like it and love it, Target has the full size of these products. And you can also buy it, of course, online. So as you see, I'm spraying my ends because my ends tend to dry first, of course. So I wanted to make sure I had enough moisture as I'm putting in the Curly Magic. And I'm going to work that through once again, making sure I do not comb through my curls. When I comb through my curls with my fingers or a comb, they tend to start to frizz, and that's not what I want. And I am shingling them a little bit, doing a little bit of a curl around my fingers just to make sure that the hair clumps together the way that I want them. I'm pretty sure you guys have watched enough natural curly videos to know that soaking wet hair works best with wash and goes, and so that's why I am doing this, making sure that I have enough water in my hair when I'm doing this, so that way the products will be able to seal and dry before my hair starts to frizz. Now I am done. My hair is well coated with these products. Now all I have to do is wait for it to dry. About 8 hours later, my hair is fully dry. The curls are popping. And now it's time to loosen them up a bit. I'm going to take some olive oil on my hair and simply scrunch out any crunch that I may have, as well as fluff it up a little bit. Nobody wants that flat first day hair. At least I know I don't. So I'm going to use my pick to pick it out just a little bit. I'm not going to overdo it because as the days go on, of course, it is going to naturally fluff out. So this is my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go try out these products. I love them. And I love you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.